Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce to you MindMap AI, a tool I designed to revolutionize the way therapists manage and analyze patient data. At the heart of MindMap AI lies Gemini AI, a powerful engine that we've integrated to enhance three critical aspects of the therapy process: de-identification, generating insights, and automating report generation. Before diving into these, it's important to understand that the type of data we're working with. MindMap AI primarily processes conversation transcripts between therapists and patients. This data is rich in detail and provides a deep insight into patients' mental health journey. Let's start with de-identification. In the world of therapy, patient privacy is everything. Therapists need to be able to analyze and share data without ever compromising their patient's confidentiality. MindMap AI uses Gemini AI as its de-identification engine. Before any data is analyzed or shared, Gemini AI scans through the information and meticulously redacts any personal identifiers like names, addresses, phone numbers, you name it. What remains is completely anonymized data that therapists can use confidently. This capability ensures that patients are never at a risk of exposure, allowing therapists to focus on their work without worrying about breaches of confidentiality. Now let's talk about generating insights, a critical function in therapy. Therapists often have to deal with a mountain of unstructured data. The challenge is finding those insights in a sea of information. MindMap AI uses Gemini AI to analyze this data and pull out actionable insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. It can track changes in patients' emotional state over time and identify recurring themes in their sessions, or even flag potential risks before they escalate. These insights empower therapists to make better decisions, more informed decisions, and also tailor their approach to each patient's unique need. Finally, let's address one of the most time consuming tasks in therapy, and that is report generation. After every session, therapists need to compile detailed reports that summarize their session, document the patient's progress, and outline the next steps. MindMap AI uses Gemini AI to streamline this process. Therapists can now choose a specific date range, and MindMap AI will automatically gather all the relevant therapy sessions that occurred within that period. Gemini AI is then used to generate a comprehensive report that includes key summaries and also a sentiment graph visualizing the patient's emotional journey over time. This automation doesn't just save time, but it ensures consistency, allowing therapists to focus more on patient care. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect. More than 237 million people around the world are struggling with depression, according to a recent WHO study. That's a huge number, and it highlights just how urgent the need is for better mental health care solutions. MindMap AI, with the power of Gemini, isn't just another tool. We see it as a way to truly make a difference. Thank you so much for tuning in. I genuinely appreciate it. If you're interested, please do check out the GitHub links for the backend and the front end code that's in the description as well. Thank you. Bye bye.